life of any child, the fluoride is very important. So in those years, salt intake is relatively low. So it's basically a limitation. Next is the amount of fluoridated salt ingested may decrease with increasing consumption of processed food. So if the processors do not use fluoridated salts, if processors do not use fluoridated salt in processed food, so the people who are taking the increasing consumption of processed foods, they will not get salt, fluoridated salt. Okay. Number three is difficulties arise when there are multiple drinking water sources which have a naturally optimum or excessive fluoride concentration. If the region, if the area already having fluoridated water, then it will be very difficult. They will be taking so many sources of fluoride, so many sources of fluoride will be hazardous to their health. So these are basically the limitation. And again, it requires refined salt produced with modern technology and high level of obviously technical expertise are required. In the current view data, it is contraindicated in hypertensive patients. So it should be a limitation for those individuals. Okay. So these are basically the limitations. Now comes to the milk fluoridation. Okay. Milk fluoridation is the addition of a measured quantity of fluoride to bottled or packaged milk to be drunk by the children. Reasonable vehicle for fluoride as universally taken by infants, pregnant women, and children. Okay. It was first introduced by Ziegler, a pediatrician who started the first project with fluoridated milk in Swiss city of Winterthur in 1953. Okay. So, rate of absorption of fluoride from milk and water indicates a significant reduction in fluoride absorption from milk and water during first hour. फर्स्ट आवर में इसका रेट ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन जो है फ्लोराइड का वो मिल्क और वाटर दोनों में very slow है, ठीक है. But after that the absorption continues at higher levels for longer periods of time. Okay. When milk is fluoridated, most of the fluoride persists in ionized form for the first 4 hours. Then after, about 1/5 is bound to calcium and protein. Okay. In the first 4 hours, fluoride will remain in ionized form, and then after that 1/5 of the fluoride will bind to calcium and protein. Okay. Many researches has been demonstrated the effectiveness of fluoridated milk in preventing dental caries. Okay, the bioavailability of fluoride is not reduced by milk. You must know the term bioavailability. I will not explain it here. Okay, fluoridated milk keeps a permanently low level of ionized fluoride within the oral cavity that basically promotes remineralization. Okay, this topical mechanism contributes to caries preventive effect of fluoridated milk. Many countries have started are going through the milk distribution program, fluoridated milk distribution program, especially to children. Now, compounds used for milk fluoridation are calcium fluoride, sodium fluoride, disodium monofluorophosphate, and disodium silicofluoride. These compound names should be must be memorized by you people. Okay, ये जो compound name जितने भी आ रहे हैं, जिस भी उसमें आप लोगों को अच्छे तरीके से याद होने चाहिए. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages include it's a staple food for children and infants. Okay. And disadvantages include its high cost. Okay. Centralized milk supply should exist, and variation in intake and quantity of milk, obviously, in different age group. Okay. For the children, intake of milk will be higher. Okay. So there will be a variation. Now comes to the fluoride supplements. Fluoride supplements basically available in the form of tablets, drops, and lozenges. I have told you previously that these fluoride supplements, tablets, drops, and lozenges have systemic as well as topical effect. Okay. Fluoride tablets, drops, and lozenges will not be available over the counter. They have to be prescribed by dentist or pediatrician. Okay, to individual or patients as a part of school or home-based preventive dentistry program. So you cannot take these supplements without dentist or pediatrician prescription. Fluoride compounds basically used in tablets, drops, and lozenges most commonly is sodium fluoride. Other compounds used are acidulated phosphate fluoride, potassium fluoride, or calcium fluoride. Okay. Supplements contain basically measured amount of fluoride 0.25 milligram, 0.5 milligram, and 0.15 sorry 1.0 milligram की जो regime है basically वो आप use कर सकते हैं ठीक है they should be taken on daily basis dosage schedule prescribed by dentist. Tablet should be first chewed and then swallowed. Okay? It is basically called swish and swallow technique that is only advocated for fluoride tablets. So basically, the technique is when a person chew the tablet, first swish the saliva between the teeth for a minute before swallowing. Okay? Both sorry, we were discussing swish and swallow technique. So I was telling you that when a person chew the tablet, okay, first swish the saliva between the teeth for a minute before swallowing. Both topical and systemic dosage of fluoride would be achieved. So this was basically a swish and swallow technique. It is very important according to examination point of view. Many times तो इसको आप लोग अच्छी तरह लाइनों की ये टेक्निक है. So a correct dosage is based on the concentration of fluoride in drinking water, age, and weight of the child, and other available fluoride. So basically, fluoride supplements correct dosage is based on the concentration of fluoride in drinking water. If you are taking age of the individual and the weight of the child and other available fluoride sources. According to all these, we will adjust the dose of these fluoride supplements. Okay, not more than, this is very important, not more than 1 milligram of fluoride should be ingested each day from all available systemic sources. Okay, so safest fluoride level is 1 milligram per day from all the systemic sources. So fluoride supplements indications for use in areas where there are no central supplies, where the fluoride concentration of well water is low, and where parental motivation is very high, where parents are highly conscious about regarding dental health of their children. So where there it is highly indicated. Okay. Next is as an interim measure in these communities with a central water system that have not yet implemented community water fluoridation. Where there is a lack of community water fluoridation, in those places we can use fluoride supplements. Okay, और इसके अलावा in the areas where water fluoridation or salt fluoridation schemes cannot be implemented, in those areas we can supplements to the, or in the families where there is a high degree of mobility involving frequent changes in the place of work and the residence, and where parents wish to ensure daily fluoride supplementation themselves. उन फैमिलीज में, उन एरियाज में जहाँ पर लोग जो है फ्रिक्वेंटली मूव करते हैं फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, वहाँ पर जो फ्लोराइड सप्लीमेंट्स जो हैं highly recommended है. Okay, these are the indications. What are the benefits of fluoride, using fluoride supplements? The use of dietary fluoride supplements from birth to age 13 or 16 years provides caries reduction from this basically showed by the provide systemic and topical and permanent both teeth. Ready for use है, readily available है, ठीक है, ready made form में, requires little time to dispense. There are some precautions in taking these fluoride supplements. Accidental ingestion of fluoride supplement can cause stomach upset. If you take a high dose of fluoride supplement at one time, it can cause stomach upset. No more than 120 2.2 milligrams sodium fluoride tablet should be dispensed at one time. There is no risk of dental fluorosis if the proper regime is followed. However, fluoride supplements when ingested prior to tooth eruption are a risk factor for dental fluorosis. Okay. If you are taking fluoride supplements prior to the tooth eruption, they will create a high risk for dental fluorosis. Swish and swallow technique. क्या हुआ है?
दूसरा लेक्चर एक बच्ची का मैसेज आया कि दूसरी तरफ इनका एक और लेक्चर स्टार्ट हो गया है.
एक और लेक्चर, अच्छा चलो बस ये थोड़ा सा रह गया, प्लीज बच्चों 5 minutes वेट कर लो. Swish and swallow technique, I have told you, first swish the saliva between the tooth for a minute, then swallow it. It will give topical as well as systemic effect. Okay. Recommended dose for swish and swallow technique for fluoride tablets is below 20 years is 0.5 milligram, between 2 to 3 years 0.5 to 0.7 milligram, and above 3 years is 1.0 to 1.5 milligram. Okay. Now comes to the fluoride drops. Fluoride drops are indicated where child is old enough to swallow fluoride tablets. So 10 drops equal to 1 milligram of fluoride. Drops are usually administered by use of plastic, वो जो ड्रॉपर नहीं होता बच्चों का, ठीक है, बॉटल के साथ, उसके थ्रू आप ड्रॉप्स देंगे, ठीक है. 10 drops in 1 liter water bottle containing fluoride is equal to 1 part per million concentration of fluoride in water. This is it. What is the what you conclude from today's lecture? कोई मुझे बता दे जरा समरी 3-4 लाइनों में फौरन key points जो lecture के थे. Can anybody tell me the key points of lecture? What you learned from the lecture? डॉक्टर नबील कोई रोल नंबर मेंशन कर दे, इन्होंने तो बताना नहीं, गूंगे बहरे बन गए अब.
आत्मा मकसूद रोल नंबर 12 बताइए.
ये कंक्लूजन की स्लाइड हटा दें जरा.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम. मैम इसमें हमने डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लोराइडेशन के मेथड्स पढ़े हैं, टॉपिकल एंड सिस्टमैटिक, और उसमें हमने फिर ये पढ़ा है कि हमारे नॉर्मल रेंज फ्लोराइड की क्या होती है. That is 0.7 to 1.2 parts per million. और फिर हमने ये पढ़ा कि डिफरेंट मेथड से हमारे पास हम कितना कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं पर डे, और उनके एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस.
What is the optimal range of fluoride?
0.7 to 1.2 parts per million.
And this will be set depends on the
type of method we are using.
Type of method?
No,
it will depend. This range will depends on Temperate,
temperature as well.
yes,
Temperature of the
temperature of
area.
that area. Okay. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर बस मुझे दे दो कि मुझे क्वेश्चन ही हाँ, what are the prerequisites of water fluoridation?
मैम इसमें ये है कि
नहीं आप नहीं,
जिस
नबील कोई और रोल नंबर मेंशन
ये
करें।
खिजर रोल नंबर 16 है।
फिर चलो बताओ।
Centralized.
बेटा खिजर आपका
ये
नाम
खिजर है, ये तो लड़की की आवाज है।
यार खिजर को जवाब दे दो प्लीज।
ये खिजर की आवाज लड़कियों जैसी हो गई लॉकडाउन में रह के।
खिजर बेटा जो सामने मेहरबानी आती यार खिजर
बोल
को
पड़ो खिजर।
सो गए यार, ये आप पूछने से
ये खिजर नहीं है,
खिजर है। आ गया,
इसकी एब्सेंट मार्क करो जरा, अभी आवाज आएगी जी की।
आ रहा है।
यस मैम।
क्या तुम सो रहे थे?
नो मैम, वो कनेक्ट कर रहा था।
क्या कनेक्ट कर रहे थे तुम? कनेक्ट कर रहा था तुम
माइक।
ऑफ करके बैठे हुए थे?
मैं माइक कनेक्ट कर रहा था।
चलो बताओ prerequisites of water fluoridation.
Presence of caries in community और acceptance from community। इसके
क्या ये तुम
अलावा
स्लाइड से देख के बता रहे हो?
नहीं मैम, मैं सुना था थोड़ा सा,
अच्छा,
पिक्चर से थोड़ा याद है।
ये खिजर है
और
कौन वैसे?
मैम
मैम रोल नंबर 17।
रोल नंबर 17 है। खिजर अगर अपनी शक्ल दिखा दो बता पॉसिबल है मैडम।
नहीं रहने दो शक्ल, ये वो है जो टॉपर है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो तो साउथ है।
अच्छा
वो
चलो
तो
बोलो तुम prerequisites।
कम्युनिटी एक्सेप्टेंस, इसके अलावा जो कॉस्ट होती है इंस्टॉलेशन और मेंटेनेंस की, और इक्विपमेंट्स की अवेलेबिलिटी।
अच्छा, अभी इतना मैंने आप लोगों को लेक्चर दिया, आई हैव टोल्ड यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस सारा कुछ। आप नहीं, अब कोई और बताएगा मुझे। डॉक्टर नबील रोल नंबर मेंशन कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है, व्हेन आफ्टर आस्किंग माय क्वेश्चन। तो क्वेश्चन इज के व्हिच इज द मोस्ट safest and which is the most feasible method of fluoridation? I have told you all the systemic methods.
अरसलान डोगर
जी अरसलान बताइए,
डोगर सॉरी,
which is the most safest and feasible method of fluoridation?
अरसलान वोहरा, I remember his name. अरसलान probably 08, roll number 08। अरसलान अनम्यूट करो बच्चे।
Which is the most ideal method and feasible method of fluoridation?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
Walaikum assalam.
मैम वाटर फ्लोरिडेशन।
Very good, water fluoridation. Why? Next question is why? क्यों?
मैम उसके डिसएडवांटेजेस कम है और वो इजीली आपको सेफ है और कॉस्ट भी कम है और
अच्छा,
मॉनिटर
और
किया जा सकता है।
गुड, और कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव है, और
मैम सेफ भी है और
सेफ है।
मैम सप्लाई भी इजीली आप वाटर मतलब कर सकते
गुड।
हैं।
सबसे बड़ी बात इसकी ये है कि लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ पॉपुलेशन को आप केटर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। कम्युनिटी वाटर सप्लाई में, पब्लिक वाटर सप्लाई में अगर आप उसको फ्लोरिडेट कर सकते हैं तो लार्ज एरिया ऑफ कम्युनिटी जो है वो बेनिफिटेड होगा इससे। सो बेसिकली इट इज द मोस्ट, जिसे कहते हैं फिजिबल एंड आइडियल मेथड ऑफ फ्लोरिडेशन। इफ भी है एक, इफ ये कि अगर आप ऑप्टिमम लेवल अचीव कर सकें, ठीक है ना, अगर आप पानी में ऑप्टिमम लेवल अचीव कर सकें देन इट इज द मोस्ट आइडियल मेथड। अच्छा, पाकिस्तान में हम जो है वाटर फ्लोरिडेशन कर सकते हैं? इज पाकिस्तान इज सुटेबल कंट्री फॉर वाटर फ्लोरिडेशन?
आदिल, प्लीज आंसर दिस। मोहम्मद आदिल।
जी आदिल साहब बताइए। इज पाकिस्तान इज सुटेबल कंट्री। अच्छा चले ठीक है जी, ये हमने अब असाइनमेंट पे छोड़ दिया। यू हैव टू सबमिट द असाइनमेंट। इज पाकिस्तान इज suitable country for water fluoridation? If yes, then give the reason. If no, then give the reason. Okay, ये आप लोगों की असाइनमेंट है, ठीक है। यू हैव टू सबमिट दिस असाइनमेंट बाय डॉक्टर नबील। डेडलाइन क्या होगी?
डेडलाइन मैम आज रात तक 12 बजे तक।
आज रात 12 बजे तक हैंड रिटन फॉर्म में यू हैव टू सबमिट इट। ओके,
ईमेल कर दीजिएगा सारे आपको, जिस तरह हम लोगों ने पहले किया
इज
था।
पाकिस्तान इज suitable for water fluoridation? If yes, then give the reason. If no, you have to give the reason. Okay,
ओके मैम।
okay जी, अल्लाह हाफिज। Right.
अल्लाह
Sorry,
हाफिज़।
अल्लाह।
अल्लाह
अल्लाह हाफिज मैम।